So, 305, the renderer coming along. Let's take a look at it before we run out of time. In the optimizations area, we have a little footnote here. We have a optimization 2, and there's no supporting code for that when we turn it on. In the shader macros, we've added this red color and a 3, just an unsigned 3. In shader source number 7, the shader we're working on, within the main function, we have a void room bit flag now. So this is the address for this bit flag in these booleans. And we have the hotel 3x3 chord, the room 5x5 chord, so this is on the render layout, and in the data layout, the 4x4 chord storing the data for whichever room we're on. The decal chord is just the smallest size tile, so we're going to take the discrete global chord, divide by the number of discrete chords in a small tile. That gives us the decal chord, and we're going to modulate the decal chord by 64 to make sure it's in bounds. This is the modulus formula for reference. The hotel coordinate, same idea, discrete unit divided by discrete units in a hotel. Room coordinate, discrete units divided by the number of discrete units in a room. For the optimization number 2, if it's off, we modulate both values to keep them within the 3x3 grid or 5x5 grid. And if the optimization is on, I don't think we actually need to modulate the hotel cell. G25 is a one-dimensional version of the two-dimensional 5x5 coordinate for the room cell. So this will be 0 to 24 inclusive. We'll see if the room is void by looking it up in a lookup table. Set the void bit if it is, and output red if it is. And then eventually we need to look up the data location for this stuff, but we're going to do a special lookup to do some fancy rendering. We don't have time to go over that. We're going to do an early return, and then if we're not in a void room, we're going to do the official lookup of the data here, but we need to get access to these lookup tables. We don't have access to them yet. Here's what we did previously. Here's some footnotes and all that good stuff, and then here's what we did in this video and the things we need to do next. So like, subscribe, and send money in the mail.